Every year, WhatsApp adds some amazing security features to keep your chats more private and secure. In 2023, it introduced a new feature called Chat Lock that lets you protect your conversations with an extra layer of security so that no one but only you can see them. To use this, select a one-on-one or a group chat. Tap on the three dots on the top right corner to open the options, and then select the lock feature. Note that this feature requires your device's authentication, such as a passcode or a biometric identity, that is your face or fingerprint. Next time, when you want to unlock a locked chat, use your device's authentication. This feature is similar to the secure or hidden folder that we find in most Android devices, which allows you to create a private and encrypted space for files, images, and other things. Now, if you don't want anyone to find out about your logged chats, you can set a secret code or a unique password to hide them. I suggest you to use a different code from your device's passcode because anyone who knows about it could access your chats. To make it harder, you can add emojis to your secret code. Enabling this will replace the passcode access. The logged chats folder can only be viewed and unlocked when you enter the exact secret code in the search bar. This way, you can hide this folder and only you will know it exists. For those who prefer to use the secret code and keep the logged chat folder visible, disable this option only. To remove a chat from here, select the chat, choose Unlock Chat in the options and confirm it with your device's authentication or the secret code. Lastly, if you forget the secret code, resetting is the only option, but it comes at a cost as it will clear all the chats in the logged folder including the messages, media, etc. This is a great addition to the app and works on all platforms. If you don't see this option, try updating the app. I hope this helps to protect your chats better. If you liked this video and want to learn more, I recommend subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in a new video.